writing a blog post for SEO, search engine optimization, is what I'm going to show you how to do in this video. So here we are at one of my blog posts. By applying this method, you can drive organic traffic, free traffic to your blog, and hopefully get more followers or make more sales. But anyway, talking about the post, is one of my posts. It is not 2,000 words. It's very good if you can write that. That's good for ranking, but I just put this together to show you. This one is for 584 words. But anyway, when choosing a keyword, try to add it at the beginning or almost at the beginning, just a few words maybe in front of it, and make it interesting for people to read, so it just doesn't seem boring or something. And here in the first paragraph, it's good to have the social keywords multiple times, but not so many times that you sound like a computer or something. But put it also, mark the keywords and put it in, click the V button to bold it several times in your content, Now I have this in, there's a typo, sorry, gonna change that. I have it 2 times in this text. You can have it maybe 1 more time, but not too many times in here. And also, you should mention the keywords also in the continuous text you have in here, and so on. Now, talking about SEO and images, you should at least have 2 images, and for every image, or almost every image, you can or should enter the chosen keywords you have chosen for your blog post. For instance, here I have free traffic keywords, so I have it in the alternate text and the caption. Sometimes the search engines doesn't react too friendly if you have it in each and every image, but I would say that almost every image you can set it up so the keywords are in all these fields for your images. So that's another way to help your blog post to rank. Now, within your blog post, you should also link to other blog content on your blog, because maybe up to 4 different posts, because that backlinks are very powerful and will help your content to rank as well. Now let's talk about another thing here, the permalink. Try to not make it too long as it's most important that you have your chosen keywords in the permalink, so you can edit your permalink. That can be actually different than the subject line. But let's now go to the categories. I have make a category that's really relevant to the content you're writing about. I've chosen free traffic there, and also put it in the tags area. One thing to remember, some bloggers maybe put in a whole lot of different tags, but I would recommend that you limit yourself maybe to 5, 6 or something like that, so it doesn't get too many. That's also good for SEO, that you have tags that are relevant to your keywords and so on. And another thing that you should check out is the featured image. The featured image for your post. When you're sharing on social media, this image will show in your post at different social media platforms. You simply, it will say that set featured image, then you click it and then choose your image from your images or upload a new one. I can show you here. So here's my featured image. You just click the image you want to have as featured image, and here the keywords in alt text, the title, the caption and description. And then you just click on set featured image. And then you simply publish your post when you're satisfied with how everything is set up. Click on update or publish if it's the new post. Now, would you like to know how to earn unlimited $50, $150 or $300 paid instantly to your Cash App or pay by posting on social media? Then click the link below. Thanks so much for watching. If you like this video, feel free to subscribe. I appreciate you taking time to watching this video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.